Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your encouragement is my motivation.
Hello children, today we are going to learn about the vehicle's name in Tamil. Are you ready children? Vehicles. What's the meaning of vehicles in Tamil children? Vahanangal. Vahanangal. Vehicles. Vahanangal. Let's learn about the vehicle's name in Tamil. Car. Magilundu. Car. Magilundu. What is the Tamil name for car children? Magilundu. Say it, my children. Magilundu. Truck. Sarakundu. Truck. Sarakundu. What is the Tamil name for truck children? Sarakundu. Say it, my children. Truck. Sarakundu. Bus. Perundu. Bus. Perundu. What is the Tamil name for bus children? Perundu. Say it, my children. Bus. Perundu. Bicycle. Midivandi. Bicycle. Midivandi. What is the Tamil name for bicycle children? Midivandi. Say it, my children. Bicycle. Midivandi. Helicopter. Ulangurdi. Helicopter. Ulangurdi. What is the Tamil name for helicopter children? Ulangurdi. Say it, my children. Helicopter. Ulangurdi. Train. Thodarvandi. Train. Thodarvandi. What is the Tamil name for train children? Thodarvandi. Say it, my children. Train. Thodarvandi. Aeroplane. Vaanurdi. Aeroplane. Vaanurdi. What is the Tamil name for aeroplane children? Vaanurdi. Say it, my children. Aeroplane. Vaanurdi. Motorcycle. Visayundu. Motorcycle. Visayundu. What is the Tamil name for motorcycle children? Visayundu. Say it, my children. Motorcycle. Visayundu. Shall we revise again children? Say with me. Car. Magilundu. Truck. Sarakundu. Bus. Perundu. Bicycle. Midivandi. Helicopter. Ulangurdi. Train. Thodarvandi. Aeroplane. Vaanurdi. Motorcycle. Visayundu. Very good children.